dog kid.
I'm just trying to get this warmed up, and I'll start driving it. But you know, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a POV, as you can see, and we're gonna test out. I'm gonna show you how it is driving in the rain, and I'm not gonna try to go too rough because I have blow-off valves on this car, and I feel like it's much easier for the car to absorb water now. So I gotta relax because I've seen these cars hydro-lock so easily, and it sucks. I know my alignment is kind of bad, but it's gonna be fixed soon. I just had to order the parts. But in about like from 2 weeks from now, I should have all the parts and get it done. Comment below what display you guys like. You guys like this type of display or this type of display? I kind of like this one, but I like to change it up here and there. I'm just gonna put on this just so I can show you guys the traction. So the traction is right here. So if I'm slipping, you guys can tell it'll like blink over here. I'm gonna keep it on right now just so you guys can see how it reacts when it slides, but I'm gonna also be taking it off. All right, we're gonna turn off the traction real quick. 'Cause Sport really, it does nothing, honestly. Sport just lets it slide just a little, like 50%, but it's either you want traction fully off or fully on. There's no in between. I don't think there should be in between, because it's not good for the car if it's just kicking traction while you're trying to lose traction. But let me get away from some cars. I want to do this at lower speeds, but whoa. If I didn't have Michelin Pilot 4S's, probably the best tires for this car, I'd be over there right now. Doesn't catch traction at all. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's not.